everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to log into Amazon Chime application. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Open up your Amazon Chime application and make sure that you're inside this interface. In this page, you'll need to type in your email address associated with Amazon Chime or your Amazon account in the text box. Go ahead and type in the correct email. After you are done, tap on sign in/sign up. You can also continue joining to a meeting without an account. Tap on the join in a meeting without an account button and follow through the prompts in order to do so. To log into your existing account, after entering the email, tap on sign in/sign up. On the next page, it'll ask you for your Amazon account's credential. Type in the email or phone number associated with Amazon. Go to the first text box and type in any one information. After you are done, head over to the next field and type in your Amazon account's password. If you don't remember your Amazon account's password, you can tap on Forgot Password link at the top right and follow through the prompts. After filling in both of your email and password, tap on Sign In. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be logged in to your Amazon Chime application. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.